In this video, I will show you how to use Gling's AI trimming feature. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Upload your raw footage to Gling. Once you have uploaded your raw footage, you then want to select Edit with AI. Tap Next and then Continue. You can then choose what you would like AI to do. Cut silences, cut bad takes, remove filler words, like and subscribe button, and more options. Once you have selected your options, click Enhance and Edit. Once your raw footage has completed processing, Gling will automatically remove long pauses, filler words, and repeated mistakes. You can then review the timeline and make any manual changes that you would like to make. Once you have completed making any manual changes, you can then export your video in the top right corner. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.